Have you ever felt like there's more to life than what meets the eye? Like there's a deeper, wiser part of you waiting to be discovered? That part of you is your higher self, the truest, most authentic version of who you are. Connecting with your higher self isn't just about spiritual growth. It's about unlocking your full potential, finding inner peace, and living a life of purpose and alignment. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to connecting with your higher self. Whether you're new to spirituality or have been on this journey for years, these tips will help you deepen your connection, tap into your inner wisdom, and transform your life from the inside out. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is your higher self? Your higher self is the part of you that exists beyond your ego, your fears, and your limiting beliefs. It's your soul, your inner guide, your connection to the divine. It's the version of you that is wise, loving, and unconditionally aligned with your true purpose. Your higher self is always with you, but it's easy to lose touch with it in the noise of everyday life. The key is to create space to listen, to reflect, and to connect. And that's where this guide comes in. Connecting with your higher self isn't about escaping reality. It's about finding clarity, peace, and guidance within it. It's about learning to trust yourself, to follow your intuition, and to live in alignment with your soul's purpose. One of the first steps to connecting with your higher self is creating a sacred space, a physical environment that supports your spiritual practice. This doesn't have to be elaborate or expensive. It just needs to feel meaningful to you. Your sacred space could be a corner of your room, a spot in your garden, or even a portable altar you set up wherever you go. Fill it with items that inspire you, crystals, candles, photos, or anything else that helps you feel connected to your higher self. The key is to make this space a reflection of your inner world, a place where you can go to quiet your mind, open your heart, and connect with your higher self. Remember, this space is for you. It's a reminder that you are sacred, that your journey is sacred, and that you are always connected to something greater than yourself. Mindfulness and meditation are two of the most powerful tools for connecting with your higher self. They help you quiet the noise of your mind, tune into your inner wisdom, and create space for your higher self to speak. Mindfulness is about being fully present in the moment, paying attention to your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. Meditation is about going deeper, entering a state of stillness where you can connect with your higher self. Start with just a few minutes a day. Sit quietly, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. When your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the present moment. Over time, you'll find it easier to access that quiet, inner space where your higher self resides. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to meditate. The goal isn't to empty your mind, it's to create a space where your higher self can speak to you. Your intuition is the voice of your higher self. It's that gut feeling, that inner knowing, that quiet whisper guiding you toward what's right for you. Learning to listen to your intuition is one of the most important steps in connecting with your higher self. Your intuition speaks in many ways, through feelings, through signs, through synchronicities. The key is to pay attention and trust what you receive. Start by asking yourself simple questions and noticing how your body responds. Does it feel light and expansive, or heavy and constricted? Your body is a powerful tool for tuning into your intuition. Remember, your intuition is always there, guiding you. The more you listen, the stronger it becomes. And the stronger it becomes, the easier it is to connect with your higher self. Journaling is one of the most powerful ways to connect with your higher self. It's a space where you can pour out your thoughts, ask questions, and receive guidance from within. Your higher self often speaks through your own words. When you journal, you create a direct line of communication with your inner wisdom. Try starting with a simple prompt like, "What is my higher self trying to tell me?" Or, "What do I need to know right now?" Write without judgment, without overthinking. Let the words flow. Journaling isn't just about writing, it's about listening. It's about creating a space where your higher self can speak to you, guide you, and remind you of who you truly are. Connecting with your higher self isn't just about meditation and journaling. It's about living in alignment. It's about making choices that honor your true self, your values, and your purpose. Living in alignment means listening to your intuition, following your passions, and staying true to yourself, even when it's hard. It means creating a life that feels authentic and fulfilling. Ask yourself, does this choice feel aligned with my higher self? Does it bring me joy, peace, and fulfillment? If the answer is yes, you're on the right path. Remember, your higher self is always guiding you toward your highest good. Trust the journey, trust yourself, and trust the process. Connecting with your higher self is one of the most transformative journeys you can take. It's a journey of self-discovery, of growth, of alignment, and it's a journey that will change your life forever.